Right, it's really rather exciting because me and Elvis, we are getting very excited about, well, celebrating this wonderful summer and going to the Silverstone Festival, where you're going to find us two on the stage in the little village area doing our Mike and Elvis clinics. It's going to be absolutely brilliant, but that's not all that's going on. There's tons of other stuff.
Oh my goodness, the list goes on and on. We did it last year and it was amazing. This year it's bigger and even better. We've got a long list of things here, starting with special celebration, 75 years of motorsport at Silverstone. That's big.
That's a long time. There's some car club anniversaries as well, isn't there?
Yep.
Some marks.
120th anniversary of Ford, 110th anniversary of Aston Martin.
So that's going to be like a party, isn't it? Don't forget, there's the Mike and Elvis car clinics.
Absolutely.
Which is over on the live stage in the Village Green area.
Right in the middle of it all this year.
Right in the middle of it, and there's lots of historic racing on the circuit all day, every day. You're going to love it. It's on that bank holiday weekend.
Live music.
Live music. Oh yeah, we've got ABC.
ABC.
Sugar Babes, which mean you can get down and dirty too. And who's the other one that's playing?
McFly.
McFly. I love a bit of McFly. Last time I seen him was actually over there.
Was it?
Yeah, Tower of London, McFly.
Can't wait for that. Proper foodie festival as well, so there's loads of great food everywhere. Great for the family, isn't it?
Great for the family. Plus there's the Mike and Elvis car clinics,
Don't
isn't there?
forget that.
On the
Yeah,
Saturday and Sunday. They're going to be really good.
That is good. There's loads of modern and historic Formula One cars to look at as well. So there's just so much for everybody. All 3 days of the bank holiday weekend in August.
And you get free access to the museum as well, which is well worth a visit, the Silverstone Museum.
Yeah.
Oh, and don't forget the Mike and Elvis.
On the car clinics.
On the car clinics, that's really good. And next to that, we'll have the Wheeler Dealer Live Shop, where we've got the latest merchandise. Elvis is bringing along his book to sign as well.
Yep.
So it's going to be an absolutely belting weekend.
I mean, this list goes on, but we can't stay on it all day long. You better get your tickets and get down there and see it. That's all we
We
can say.
can't wait to see you. Ta-ra.
Ta-ra.